Relief from dry skin. Jergens Daily Moisture Body Lotion helps to smooth and instantly relieve rough, dry skin. All-Day Moisturizer. Jergens Dry Skin Moisturizer locks in moisture for up to 24 hours and can be applied daily for best results. Helps to repair dry skin. Provides a continuous multi-layer of moisture to smooth skin and improve skin's beauty and luminosity. Soft, clean scent. Jergens Daily Moisture Dry Skin Moisturizer features citrus extract and provides a clean, soft fragrance. Formulated with daily hydrating ingredients. Combined with Jergens' unique HYDRALUCENCE blend, our daily moisturizer features silk proteins and citrus extracts and helps leave skin deeply luminous and visibly smoother. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Received quickly. Great product. Have been using for years. Difficult to find in stock in CVS etc. as sells out fast and the shipping world is still a bit off, so bought 2 from this seller. Received quickly.